Here's how you can add music even after posting on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now tap on your profile icon to open your profile page. Here, you'll see all the posts you've already shared. Find the post where you want to add a song. In the top right corner of the post, tap on the three dots. From the menu, select Edit. At the very top of the editing screen, you'll see an option for adding location, label, etc. Tap on it. Then select Add Music. Now Instagram will show you a list of available songs. Browse through the content and select a song you like. Then, hit the arrow to continue. Next, adjust the part of the song you want to play. Choose the exact section and duration that fits your post perfectly. When you're done, tap Done. Once again, tap Done at the top to save the changes. And that's it. The song is now added to your old Instagram post. For more tech videos, subscribe.